for today ng aking mga alagang hayop mga guys. Malunggay leaves. And also this one. Malunggay, banana, and corn hash.
Breakfast of my chicken and duck.
Tulat. Sige, kain.
Young banana tree, this is their next meal for lunch. If you like to cure chicken and ducks less of budget for the food, tips and idea, you just pick up only any kinds of fruits and vegetables and leaves growing in the surrounding healthy foods for animals.
No wasting of leaves here in the surrounding mga guys. Even leaves of the banana, I'll feeding to my chicken, but only to just young leaves. That's a growing tree that it's not totally getting bigger, so that it's not wasting. I just cut it and I give for my chicken and ducks mga guys. It's rest. Young banana tree mga guys. Food for the day ng aking mga alagang manok at kaso. Hindi na kasi ito lalaki mga guys. Ito pakain ko na lang sa akin. I'll feeding this one. Because this one is not totally growing mga guys. That's why, so that it's not resting there in the tree. So that it's not resting there in the tree. I'll just pick up. If I saw banana like this mga guys, I'll pick up and I slice so that it's not resting it to my mga alaga. I just give for my ducks and chicken. This is for the day ng aking mga alagang pato at manok. For today, my ducks and chickens. Before mga guys, when I just started caring my animals, my chicken and ducks, their body is not fat, it's very thin and it's faster getting sick, and also it's heavy in the wallet mga guys. Always buying a pet and it's expensive and the result, their body is not healthy. That's why I'll find a way, an idea, what I can give foods to my chicken that I can save. And even I don't have money to buy a feeds for my chicken, this still can eat mga guys. At I'll try all the leaves here in the surrounding. I try all the leaves here in the surrounding fruits and vegetable, what I can sow here in the surrounding. I'll just try to give to my chicken and my ducks. If they eating, then that I continue to feed them mga guys. And I observe their body is big. Their body is getting healthy and they become energetic. That's why, I was thinking, this is video idea. This is a good idea of taking of the taking. Because if your feeding is always sweets, guys, it's difficult to handle mga guys. It's very heavy in the wallet. It's expensive. And the 1 kilo is not enough for them, mga guys. Then how much the kilo of the feeds? There's the less expensive feeds there is 38, sometimes it's 39, and there's also 40, something like that. Then it's not enough for them for 1 kilo in one eating, mga guys. That's why I'm just thinking of an idea so that I can save. I can continue to care my animals and chicken and ducks. And this is I discover, mga guys. This is I discover. That's why I like to share to you how the way I'm feeding my animals are like in the province of Maringmeaning. So that you have also idea if you don't have money to buy foods for your chicken and ducks, just only sometimes you buy a feeds. So that it's less a budget. If you don't have budget of foods, so you don't have budget of foods of your chicken and ducks, they are not starving, mga guys, and you can pick up only in the surrounding. Any kind of vegetable that I'm cooking, mga guys, all the skin of the vegetables or fruits, I just slice it and I'll give to my animals and they like it so much. Any kinds of vegetable and fruits, mga guys, like that. If I'm eating pineapple, I slice it and I give to my chicken. They like also. So if I'm eating mango, any kinds of fruits, or I'll say watermelon. My chicken is like it. Oh, I like very much the watermelon, mga guys. There's the skin of watermelon. I slice it very small pieces, mga guys. And all my chicken and chicks, they like it so much. That's my technique and idea growing an animal's hair life in the province, mga guys. So that if you don't have money to buy a food for them, they are not starving and they still can eating, mga guys. Just only it's hard work because every time you slice, that is not that much hard work, mga guys, if you just enjoy feeding your animals. Because animals is very useful. If you don't have partner rice, you can pick up in the surrounding and you can cook. But for me, I don't know how to eat how animal. I just unlike my brother. But I'm eating, mga guys. It's already clean. That's it. I'm cooking. But mostly, I just pick up there. It's only, guys, egg. And this one, I need to slice it very small. And this is the next foods of my chicken. Oh, guys. It's a bit of hard work, but it's better. It's very useful and you can use money on your wallet. Because sometimes out of money, there's no problem of feeding some animals. You just really pick up few in the surroundings. I have plant also there, mga guys. I have plant that it's ordered in Lazada. Madre de Agua. But it's not faster growing, mga guys. That's why I also in YouTube. That's good in feedings also of animals. Madre de Agua. Slice, slice, slice. Marinate. So that my chicken can eat later, mga guys. Wait. Nagpatay na. Ito. Oh, tagay yung uban. Na. Ay, sige pangaway. Tagay yung uban. Nagkakaon ng uban. Dali lang. Dali lang, oy. That is it, guys. Radio for today. Enjoy eating, mga alaga. Patay! Patay! Kaandakis, ay!